so in this case, we're going to multiply a monomial to a polynomial. So this is, we're going to multiply binomial to a polynomial. Okay, so in this case, because this is binomial and a polynomial, you're going to choose distributive property. You cannot use FOIL. You know why? Because you cannot take, this is the first, so which one is the outer, so which one is the last. You cannot, how can I say? You cannot know which is the first, the outer, the inner, and the last. So it is only applicable to be used when you're going to multiply two binomials. Okay, so in this case, again, we're going to choose distributive property. So now, let's just distribute the binomial to polynomial. Let's just work on your x first. Okay, so x, you multiply it by x squared. Your x again, you multiply it by 3x. Your x again, you multiply it by by 5. Okay? So x, you multiply it by x squared. That means you've got x again. You have, you cannot see any number here. So that means it is 1. You add it by 2. So you've got 3. Okay? When you are multiplying a term here, or a monomial, so you're just going to add the degree. Alright, so that means x, you multiply it by x squared, we've got x cubed. Okay, and then x again, we're here, x, you multiply it by 3x. So what does it mean? Because you cannot see a number here, that means it is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. You take the variable and add the degrees. So you've got 1 here and 1 there. So you have, it must be squared. 3x squared. Alright? So x, you multiply it by 3x, you've got 3x squared. Next, x times 5. X times 5, that's very simple. 5x. You always put the coefficient in front and then followed by a variable. Okay? And then now, let's just have, because we've done with the x, let's just proceed to your second term, which is 2. So 2 times x squared. 2 times x squared, again, 2x squared. Okay, because you have 2 here, and then you have 1 there, so you've got 2, and then just copy your x squared, your variable. And then distribute again, 2 times 3x. 3x, alright? So that means you've got 6x. Why do I don't have degree here? Because you only have one variable here. You don't have variable on the other side. That's why you're just going to copy a variable. Okay, and then 2, let's just proceed. 2, 5. Okay, that means 2 times 5, you've got 10. So in this case, you're going to write your answer in a linear manner. So, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 2x squared plus 6x plus 10. So in this case, as you've noticed, we have like terms here. This is the same to this. Okay? Again, if you can see like terms, you're going to combine. You're going to plus it. You're going to perform the operations in between them. So what is the operations in between 3x squared and 2x squared? It's a plus sign. So you're going to add. So 3 cubed, mag-isa lang siya. It's just 3 cubed. Okay? Nothing is similar with it. So 3 cubed plus, let's just perform this first. 3x squared plus 2x squared is, you've got, again, when it comes to addition, the coefficient, you're going to add the coefficient, which is 3 plus 2 is 5. And then when it comes to addition, you don't need to change your variable in the degree because they are like terms already. So you don't need to change because you cannot add unlike terms. Right? Okay, now. So 5x here is just the same with your 6x. So in that case, you're going to add the coefficient again, which is 5 and 6. You've got 11x. Alright? And then, what is left is 10. So that means your final answer must be x cubed plus 5x squared plus 11x plus 10. Alright.